Hi everyone, I'm Rajat, one of the co-founders of Prism. So we've seen how apps like Postdog and Linear became way more usable when they added agents into the software. So you might be someone that's trying to add a customer-facing chat product into your software. So for this example, we're going to say I'm a people search company. So I'm building these agents that are really good at finding information about people online, and I want to let people use my software without actually clicking through the UI. So we're going to add a chat product into the app today. So let's create a new agent. So let's create a people search agent. Let's switch to a cheaper model. And let's give it a nice, juicy system prompt. So let's create the agent. So let's say you're a people search agent. Now, I have all of these amazing tools in my platform that I want to connect it to so that it can have access to those. So we could go ahead and add custom tools here. Now, for the sake of example, I'm just going to connect to an MCP server. So let's connect an MCP server. Let's do a custom one. Let's do exa. And let's just let the agent go crazy and use the MCP server every time. Now let's press save. Okay, and now I have to think about how I want to give this MCP server the credentials to authenticate. So best practice in this case is actually to give it a client ID and client secret, but I'm just going to authenticate with my account. Let it do that. Okay, it's all good. So now we've made a people search agent that we can connect into our app. So what I can do here is now I have this endpoint that I can send events to that's going to give me events back to actually chat with this agent. I can also go ahead and create a Slack bot so people can just use my agent through Slack. We're going to add some more connectors soon here. I'm just going to use it through this playground here. So let's ask it to find something. Find Alex, Lou, Prism, co-founder, email. Let's see if it finds Alex's email. And so as the agent's working, we have this chat view, right? Now, if you're a developer, you're plugging this into your software, you're probably actually going to see this debug view. So you're going to see these events coming in like this, and you can think about the UI and how you want to show these events. Do you want to show thinking? What does MCP tool use look like in your app? Okay, so now it looks like the agent is actually trying to find Alex's email. Okay, it looks like it found it pretty quickly. Let's see if it did a good job. Okay, yeah, this is literally everything about Alex. LinkedIn profile, yeah, that's Alex for sure. Okay, perfect. So now we've made this people search agent in our app. We can go ahead, define the access controls, define different roles, add more tools, add skills, add all kinds of things in here, and then go ahead and deploy this agent into our software.